Good morning, parents, and a warm welcome to each of you joining us today for this significant webinar on behavior management and code of conduct at Royal Private English School, Fuzera. I am Remya Kuruvilla, honored to be your host and the school counselor here at Royal Private English School. Our children's education is not just about academic excellence, it's also about fostering a positive and respectful learning environment. Today, we gather to delve into the crucial aspects of behavior management and the code of conduct that shape the culture of our esteemed institution. At Royal Private English School, we believe that a supportive and nurturing atmosphere plays a pivotal role in the holistic development of our students. As parents, you are an integral part of this journey, and we value your partnership in creating an environment where every child can thrive academically, socially, and emotionally. We believe that all members of our community play a key role in the positive behavior of our students. For our students to thrive both personally and academically, it is crucial for staff, parents, and students to adhere to the responsibilities outlined within our behavior policy. The behavior policy is in place to support staff when dealing with behavior incidents of any kind. It also provides the opportunities for students to make the right decisions and learn from their actions. Parents, and when there are circumstances where a student is involved in repeated unacceptable behavior or a serious incident, we will always prioritize communication with parents to help resolve the situation. The incidents that need to be reported typically include situations where there is suspected abuse, physical, social, emotional, psychological. Specifically, if a teacher suspects any form of abuse, whether it's physical, social, emotional, or psychological, they are obligated to report it. This reporting is crucial to ensure the safety and well-being of the students. Furthermore, if a child confides in a staff member and discloses any significant incident, it is mandatory to report this information. The goal is to address and respond appropriately to the disclosure, taking necessary actions to safeguard the child's welfare and maintain a secure learning environment. Reporting such incidents is a fundamental part of the duty of care that educational institutions owe to their students. What behavior policy do Royal Private English School follow? The Ministry of Education Distance Learning Behavior Policy. The Ministry of Education Behavior Policy 2018. Royal Private English School Online Safety Policy. The policy under consideration encompasses the adherence to two key guidelines, that the Ministry of Education Distance Learning Behavior Policy and that the Ministry of Education Behavior Policy 2018. It primarily focuses on delineating negative behaviors or violations, categorizing them into 4 degrees based on severity. Each degree corresponds to specific consequences outlined in the policy. The degrees range from minor offenses in the first degree to the most severe, very serious offenses in the fourth degree. The policy thus serves as a comprehensive framework for understanding and addressing negative behavior within the educational context. Let's discuss what are the degrees of violation according to Ministry of Education in UAE. Examples of first degree violations. Written warning if behavior is repeated for the fourth time. Eating during the distance learning class. Playing games during class. Being late without a valid reason. Non-compliance with the school uniform policy. Misusing rights tools available through Teams. Making inappropriate sounds during class disruptive behavior. Using features such as the microphone camera chat without the teacher's permission. Examples of second degree violations. First time, 4 behavior marks will be deducted. Parents called each time. Second time, 8 behavior marks will be deducted. Third time, 8 behavior marks will be deducted. Absence without an acceptable excuse. Inciting others to remain absent or not attend class. Creating quarrels between students. Engaging in audio or visual communication that is not educational during or after the official period. Using profanity or racial slurs. Smoking on campus or during class or possessing smoking paraphernalia. Imitating the opposite sex in terms of clothing or appearance. Examples of third degree violations. First time, meeting with parent, minus 12 marks. Second time, meeting with parent, minus 12 marks. If the behavior doesn't improve, student can be transferred to another school. Bullying of various forms or kinds. Posting information or sharing pictures of students, parents, or teachers without permission on social media or the school distance learning portal. Attempting to defame employees of the school using social media, impersonating others in school interactions, modifying passwords files belonging to other users, recording conversations between students and posting the same, engaging in plagiarism. Plagiarism refers to the act of using someone else's ideas, words, or work without giving proper credit or permission and presenting it as one's own. It is considered a serious ethical violation in academic and professional settings. Plagiarism can take various forms, including copying and pasting text, paraphrasing without proper citation, using someone else's ideas without acknowledgement, and submitting work done by others as if it were one's own. Forgery of school documents. Leaving school without permission. Examples of fourth degree violations. First instance, fail in the behavior subject. Using social media or any means of communication for immoral or illegal activities or to harm the institute, its employees or others. Developing programs to harass users or to hack into accounts. Publishing, creating or promoting malicious software. Leaking exam questions papers. Broadcasting or promoting atheist ideas. Abusing political, religious, or social figures of the state, sexual assault or physical assault with visible injury to the victim, possessing, promoting, bringing, or being under the influence of drugs. Behavior marking system. All students receive 80 marks for behavior at the beginning of a term. Behavior marks are deducted in line with the Ministry of Education behavior policy. Behavior marks below 60 will result in failure in the behavior subject. Additionally, 20 marks can be added to the original 80 marks based on the policy. Please refer the example of computation of the session and final grading of behavior subject. Incident reporting protocols are crucial in maintaining a safe and conducive learning environment. Times once an incident is reported, relevant members of the behavior committee are informed. The incident report is documented by the relevant supervisor and necessary investigation regarding the incident is carried out. The supervisor reviews the CCTV footage and other relevant sources regarding the incident. For incidents involving physical fights, the doctor checks students for bruising or any other relevant trauma and reports the same to the leadership team. Students with injuries are dealt with in accordance with the policy and doctor's judgment of the same. Students are referred for treatment to a hospital as deemed necessary by the doctor. The Behavior Management Committee conducts a meeting and then decides the degree of the incident and the consequences in line with the behavior policy. Parents are called for a meeting and necessary behavior forms are signed by parent and student. The students are referred to the counselor for counseling pastoral care. With repeated violations, a behavior intervention plan is made for the student. keeping in mind the well-being of all members of the school, students, all staff, parents and visitors. The DSL records and keeps all incidents confidential. Why report? Early intervention will help prevent further misbehavior. Shows an attitude of care and concern. Often misbehavior is a sign that a student needs help, hence reporting is crucial. When incidents are reported, chances of them being repeated will comparatively be lesser than when not reported. If minor incidents are dealt with, students will be more mindful of engaging in third or fourth degree offenses. Often a minor incident might actually be a major incident, and it is only through reporting that this comes to light. What is a code of conduct? A set of expectations about how a student should behave on campus. An explanation of what behaviors are not allowed. An explanation of what consequences could occur if a student chooses for certain misbehaviors. Describes the rights of students' fairness, an opportunity to tell your side of the story, due process. Parents play a crucial role in their child's education and overall well-being. Parents should familiarize themselves with the school's codes of conduct, rules, and policies. They are responsible for ensuring their child understands and follows these guidelines. Assisting with homework. Parents should ensure that their child has the necessary school supplies, books, and equipment. This includes uniforms or appropriate attire as per the school's requirements. Effective communication. Regular attendance. Parents should prioritize their child's regular attendance at school. If a child is unable to attend due to illness or other reasons, parents should notify the school promptly and provide any necessary documentation. Healthy students. Parents should ensure that their child is well prepared for each school day. This includes having a good night's sleep, a healthy breakfast, and being punctual for school activities. Parents should supervise and control their child's access to electronic gadgets, ensuring that screen time is balanced and age appropriate. They should educate their child about responsible online behavior and monitor their online communication. Parents should be aware of the school's policies regarding prohibited items on the premises. By fulfilling these responsibilities, parents contribute significantly to creating a positive and supportive educational environment for their child and the entire school community. Before we conclude today's webinar, let's each take a moment to reflect on the importance of personal responsibility in creating a safe, respectful, and desirable environment at our school. As we've discussed various aspects of supporting our children's education, let's pledge together to make a difference. Thank you all for your participation today. Let's carry this commitment forward and work together to make our school a place where everyone feels valued, respected, and eager to learn. Have a wonderful day.